Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to do this granny square. And this is a fairly easy granny square, but if you think the video is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed of the video in the settings below. And if you think I'm going too slowly, you can also speed it up. We will begin from the center and working our way out in circles and eventually making it into a square. For the yarn, I've used a DK weight and then a 4.5mm crochet hook. If you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead and check out my playlist where I show you each and every granny square I've made. I'm working on doing a tutorial on every granny square in the world, so have fun with it. I have also another tutorial where I show you the same granny square as this one, just in multiple colors. So let's begin the tutorial on this one. First we make a slip knot. And then we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do a double crochet in the first chain we did. So yarn over and insert the hook into this first chain and double crochet. So now we have 1 double crochet, and then these chains also count as a double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet. We will keep doing double crochets into this little circle in the center until we have 16 double crochet in total, counting this one as the first one. So 1, 2, 3. Continue with a double crochet in the center until you have 16 double crochet. And when you're done with your 16 double crochet, we will now join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. So just a slip stitch to finish the round. So now we have 16 double crochet. We will now begin round 2. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this chain 4 now counts as a double crochet and a chain. So in the next stitch, we will do this one. We will do a double crochet. So do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1. Then do a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and double crochet in the next. So continue this way until you have 16 double crochet with a chain in the middle. At the end of the round, we will join with a slip stitch in the top chain from the beginning. And then we completed round 2. So for round 3, we will now chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then in this next chain space, we will do 2 double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in this chain space, and double crochet. And then another double crochet in the same chain space. So insert the hook into this space and double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet in the chain space. Now for the next double crochet, we will do a double crochet in the stitch. So just insert the hook on the stitch on top and double crochet. And then in the next chain space, we will do 2 double crochet into the space. So we yarn over, insert the hook into this space and double crochet. And then another double crochet in the same space. We will repeat this for the rest of the round. So in each double crochet, we will do a double crochet in the stitch on top. And in each space, we will do 2 double crochet into the space. Continue all the way around. Now when we're all the way around, we join with a slip stitch on top up here. So just insert the hook and slip stitch. Now we begin the next round, and we will begin with a chain of 6. So just yarn over and pull through 6 times. This is 4, 5, and 6. So now this first chain counts as a single crochet, and the rest of them is our chain in the corner. So we will now skip the next 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the third. So this is now our corner space. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we skip the next 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the third. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the third stitch. Then chain 3. Then skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the third. So this is now the side of the square and the corner. We will now do the next corner, so we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And skip 2 stitches, do a single crochet in the third. So that's how you make a corner. You just chain 5 and skip 2 stitches. So we now have 2 corners and a side. We will now repeat the same thing down the next side. We just chain 3, 3, then skip 2 stitches and a single crochet in the third. And this you'll just repeat 3 times. So you have 3 of these little loops down the side. And then when you make it to the next corner, you will just chain 5, just like over here. Just chain 5, skip 2 stitches and a single crochet. Repeat this until you are back here. To finish this round, you will join with a slip stitch in the first stitch over here. And then you will do a slip stitch in this corner space. So just insert the hook in the corner space and slip stitch. So we are over here when we begin the next round. So now we have this square with the corners right here and here. And we will begin in the first corner with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains count as the first double crochet. So do another 4 double crochet in the corner space. So just in this same corner space, you will do another 4 double crochet. As the first one counted as, the first 3 chains counted as a double crochet, we will now have 5 double crochet in total, looking like this. I always push them a bit together because we now begin the next half of this corner. So we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we do another 5 double crochet in the same corner space. So you just yarn over and insert the hook in the same corner space and work another 5 double crochet. So your corner space will always be 5 double crochet, then chain 3, and then another 5 double crochet in the same space. And then your corner would look like this. So 5 double crochet, chain 3, and then 5 double crochet. Then for the side of the square, in this first chain space, we will do a single crochet. So insert the hook into the space and single crochet. Then in the next space, so in the middle space, we will do 7 double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook into this next space and do 7 double crochet in the same space. And then it looks like this. So you have the corner, then a single crochet, then your 7 double crochet. Then we have this next space. We will do 1 single crochet into this space. And then we make it to the next corner, up here. Up here we will do the same as this corner. We will do 5 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 5 double crochet in the same chain. Then over here, do 1 single crochet, then 7 double crochet into this space, and then 1 single crochet over here. So you just repeat this step. Just repeat the same thing all the way around, and I will meet you up down here. When we're all the way around, we will now join with a slip stitch in this first stitch over here. So insert the hook and slip stitch just to finish the round. Now for the next round, we will chain 8 to begin with. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the first 3 chains counts as 1 double crochet, and the rest of the chains counts as the ones that will go over this corner. So the next thing you'll do is you work 1 single crochet in this corner space. So insert the hook in the corner space and work 1 single crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work another single crochet in the same corner space. So now we have a new little corner space. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will work 1 double crochet in this single crochet you did down here. So yarn over and insert the hook all the way down here. Just skip all these stitches, work 1 double crochet down here, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you work 1 single crochet in the top stitch on this bow. So in the 4th stitch, which is the middle one, you will work 1 single crochet. Then chain another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work a double crochet in this stitch down here. So this stitch, work a double crochet, and then we will do the next corner. So you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, work a single crochet in this chain, in the corner chain, and chain 3, and another single crochet in this corner chain, and then you have a new little corner chain. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you work a double crochet in this stitch, this stitch. Then you chain 3 and work a single crochet in the top stitch up here. Then you chain 3 and work a double crochet right here. Then you chain 5 and do your corner just like the others. Continue all the way around and I will meet you up back here. And at the end of the round, you will have your 3 chains and you will attach them in the 3rd chain of this one. So count 1, 2, 3. In this 3rd chain, you will slip stitch. And now you're ready for the next round. You begin with a slip stitch in this big chain space right here. So you're over there when we begin the next round. You start with a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains count as the first double crochet. We will do 5 double crochet in total, so do another 4 double crochet in this big chain space. And then do 3 double crochet in this corner space. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do another 3 double crochet in the same corner space. So each corner will be 3 double crochet and then chain 3 and then 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So it will look like this. Now in this big chain space after the corner, you'll do 5 double crochet into the same space. And 5. Then we have the middle spaces right here. In this one, you'll do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And in the next one as well, 3 double crochet in the next chain space. And 3. So now we have one of these big spaces right here. You'll do 5 double crochet into this space. Then we make it to the corner space. You'll do the same thing as over here. Do 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same space. Then when you make it over here, you do 5 double crochet in the big one, and then 3 double crochet in the 2 small ones, and then 5 in the big one as well. So you just continue this way all the way around. And then at the end of the round, you can join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here, just like so. And then you're done. You can now break the yarn, leave a bit of a tail so you can weave in the end, and that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!